everybody knows driving a tractor is not only a lot of fun, but it's very taxing too. So sometimes you get a little bit tired. And then, of course, the pros know that only the green tractors are the good tractors, and that the orange tractors have like ergonomical problems, like you can't reach stuff that you need to reach, like keys and levers. So I went to Tractor Time with Tim to settle this once and for all, and to see if the green tractors are really any better than the orange tractors. So in order to hook this mower up, there's a couple dimensions on that drawbar that need to jive here. And my factory drawbar location was too close to the PTO shaft. This is all in metric here. You can pause this and look at this. It's about, you need about 8 or 8.5 inches from the center of the PTO shaft to the top of the drawbar. And then you need it to be out about 14 inches back from the end of the PTO shaft. So I made a new drawbar mount here. I just decided to make one up and bolt it up and replace the factory one, which is like lower. And then I could use the factory drawbar to hook up that mower. I changed the whole design a little bit to where it's sturdier and better interlocked. I elaborate a little bit on Tim's video on this. I'm going to put the link in the description here. And then, yeah, welded it up. Dual shield flux core. So it should be stronger than the factory mount. And it pulled the mower just fine. So also, not only that it all interlocks and it's all like, generally speaking, sturdier. I used 3/8 plate, and some of the stuff the factory was only using 1/4-inch plate. Those tabs there that the drawbar sits in are all welded, not just with the plug welds on the outside. And the top mounting plate has an extra set of holes, which I didn't utilize, but I could have. So there is an extra set of threaded holes in the tractor, which I didn't utilize at this point. So here I'm plasma cutting one of the parts out, like one of the sides.